Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anita Rivers of Classic Royalty, and welcome back. And as you guys can see from the title, this will be the start of something new. I decided to do a December Vlogmas on sewing, personal stories, Q&As, and etc. So if you guys have any suggestions, anything that has to do with sewing, relationships, any questions for me, how to build your business, anything, leave it below in the comments and you guys might see it on Vlogmas. Now, this is December, and I know a lot of you guys have been telling me you guys have been adding my sewing group. If you guys do not answer all the questions thoroughly, and if your page does look like a fake page, you will not get added into my sewing group. The link is below in the description box. So go ahead, click that, answer all the questions. Make sure you guys have a profile picture, because if not, you will not get added to the group. I also want to say thank you to those of you guys who've been purchasing the basic pattern packages. They're going out all over the world, from New York to Ohio to down south to wherever it is you guys live. They're on the way out. Once again, please do not contact me in the comments under this video about basic pattern packages. In order to get one, you guys must add my sewing group only. Answer all. You guys have to answer all the questions and then inbox me about the basic pattern package. Stop it! Once again, this is also an update for those of you guys who've been following me. I want you guys to go follow me on all social media platforms: Instagram, Classic Royalty, Snapchat, Classic Royalty D, my sewing group, my Facebook, Anita Rivers, or you can just Google me, Anita Rivers. The month of December is very important because I want to give back. I want to do a lot of sewing videos. I want to show you guys how to do another zipper video, horsehair video. I want to show you guys what to put in your packages when you're shipping, how to ship a package. If you guys want to see any of those videos on my channel, if you guys want me to teach you anything, leave it below in the comments. But let's make it broad. Don't do it specific. Oh, Anita, can you do a blouse with 3 buttons with the puff sleeve? No. Let me know what easy videos that can be used for all levels of fashion designers. If you guys want to see what kind of mesh I use, if you guys want to see me how to do a zipper, how I finish my zippers, if you guys want to see what I use to put into my packages when I ship them out to clients, put that below in the comments as well. And once again, I'm saying this over and over, please add my sewing group, because a lot of you guys ask questions on my YouTube channel and everything can be answered by other fashion designers on my sewing group. It's very simple. Not to mention, if you guys can be very supportive, please follow my nail page, Classic Royalty _cause. You guys know I do nails now as well, and I do my own nails. I don't go to salon no more. I do my own nails. Make sure you guys follow that. And that's it. This is just a quick update video on Classic Royalty about what's coming during the month of December. I want to dish out a lot coming up this December. I know I've been slacking, due to COVID. I hope all you guys are doing very well. I'm in New York City and Corona is going up every single day. So I want you guys to go get tested, be safe, wear a mask, wear gloves, hand sanitize, wash your hands, take care of yourself. And if you do gotta stay home, watch my YouTube channel. And that's exactly why I'm here today, to ask for your suggestions on videos for the month of December. I love you guys. Thank you for all of your support. Happy belated Thanksgiving. And once again, I'll see you guys soon in my next video.
Cause I'm savage, ayy, classic, bougie, ratchet, ayy, acting stupid, what's happening, ayy, I'm so New York, bye guys.